Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play PUBG Mobile on Steam. First, you'll need to download a reliable Android emulator such as GameLoop or BlueStacks. Make sure your personal computer meets the minimum system requirements, which usually include at least 4 GB of RAM and 10 GB of free storage space. Once downloaded, simply run the setup file and follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. This initial step is crucial for getting your mobile gaming experience onto your desktop. After installing your chosen emulator, launch it and head to its integrated app store, which functions much like the Google Play Store. Here, you will search for PUBG Mobile and initiate the game's download and installation. It's important to log in with your existing Google Play account to ensure all your previous game progress, achievements, and in-app purchases are seamlessly synchronized. This step connects your mobile identity to your new desktop gaming environment. Now, let's customize your controls for optimal gameplay. Most emulators offer a dedicated key mapping tool, often located in the sidebar or settings menu. Use this tool to assign keyboard keys and mouse actions to replicate a familiar first-person shooter setup. You can map movement to WASD, aiming to your mouse, and actions like shooting or reloading to specific keys. Remember to save your personalized control profile to ensure a consistent and comfortable gaming experience every time you play. To enhance your PUBG Mobile experience, optimize the emulator's performance. Adjust the display resolution and frame rate settings within the emulator to find a balance between visual quality and smooth gameplay. Closing any unnecessary background applications on your personal computer will free up valuable system resources, leading to better performance. For dedicated gaming sessions, consider enabling your computer's high-performance power mode. These adjustments will help ensure a fluid and responsive gaming experience, giving you a competitive edge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.